Assalamualaikum students. Now we are going to start new chapter, combustion and flame. Combustion is a chemical reaction which involves the burning of fuel in the presence of air or oxygen that is accompanied by the production of heat or both heat and light. For example, when magnesium combined with oxygen produce magnesium oxide. The product is magnesium oxide. The substance that burns in air or oxygen to produce heat and light is called combustible substances. Again repeat, the substance that burn in air or oxygen to produce heat and light is called combustible substances. For example, petrol, wood, coal, paper, kerosene oil, etc. The substance that does not burn in air or oxygen is called non-combustible substances. For example, metals, mud, stone, glass, cement, etc. Combustion takes place in the presence of a supporter of combustion, which is air or oxygen. If the supply of oxygen is cut off, combustion stops. We can control combustion by the following ways. Number 1. Combustible substances should be quickly removed from the area to prevent the further spreading of fire. Point number 2. The supply of supporter of combustion, that is air, oxygen, should be cut off. Point number 3. Bringing the temperature of the substance below its ignition temperature. Point number 4. Fire of fuels like petrol, diesel and electricity should not be extinguished by using water because water conducts electricity. A fire extinguisher is an active fire protection device used to extinguish or control a small fire. The principle a fire extinguishers work on the following principle. Number 1, to cut off the contact with oxygen. Second is by bringing the temperature down below ignition temperature by cooling. Types of combustion. Rapid combustion. Rapid combustion is a form of combustion in which large amount of heat and light energy is released with a short span of time. It often results in fire. This form of combustion is used in machinery such as internal combustion engines. Spontaneous combustion. The combustion in which the substance burns without the presence of an external source of heat is called spontaneous combustion. For example, burning of white phosphorus on exposure to air is an example of spontaneous combustion. Fuel is a substance that produces heat energy on burning. Fuels can be solid, liquid or gases. Calorific value. The amount of heat released on complete combustion of 1 kg of fuel is known as calorific value of fuel. Some substances burn with a flame while others burn without a flame. The substances that vaporize on heating burn with a flame. A flame is a zone of combustion of gaseous substances. A candle flame has 3 zones: the outer zone, the middle zone and the innermost zone. The outer zone of the flame is called the non-luminous zone or the zone of complete combustion. Complete combustion takes place here as the wax vapors can get sufficient oxygen from the air. Due to complete combustion, this zone is blue in color and no residue is left on the object that come in the contact with this zone. This is the hottest zone and the fairly visible. CNG, compressed natural gas, is a clean fuel and does not contain sulfur. It is the best fuel because it produces least amount of air pollution. Do exercise from book page number 56 and 57. Exercise A. Choose the correct answer. B. Fill in the blanks. C. Answer the questions. B. Answer the questions in detail. and also write down important definition from book page 56. Okay, is it clear?